Hey there everyone, if you are new to CAD world and want AI to help you in building it, well now it is possible. You need to let AI know what you want to build and it can do that. And in this video, I am talking about none other than one of the most popular open source CAD platform known as FreeCAD. Now before we get started, let me talk about some of prerequisite that is needed. First and foremost is AI. And right now we will be connecting FreeCAD with Claude using MCP server. If you remember, we also built our own MCP server to automate PTZ Creo. If you want to see that video, you may check out the video link in the description of this video. And by the way, if you are using macOS or Linux, you can still follow the process. I mean, it is almost same except some commands will change. That again I will let you know from where you can get it. So let's type here Claude AI. Now go here and click on this option which says get apps and extension, and from here you need to click on this desktop app. Alright, so just click on it and then you will be downloading the desktop app. Once you install, you need to simply type Claude and then you will be able to see that in your desktop. Now let's also install another prerequisite, and the next one is UV. UV is a modern Python package and project manager created by a company known as Astral. Alright, so let's quickly install it. And as I said, if you are running Mac or Linux, still you can follow this guide. For Mac and Linux users, they need to open terminal and need to paste the following command. I am using Windows here, so I need to copy this command and then I will be using PowerShell. If you are using PowerShell for the first time or you are seeing any error, please do let us know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with that as well. So with this command, this will be downloading UV and installing in your system. Once it says everything installed, this means that you have successfully installed it. Now comes the MCP. So this is the MCP add-on that is needed to install in FreeCAD. So let's click here on code and click on download zip. Once downloaded, let's open this and let's extract this. Now we need to go inside this folder, click on tools and add-on manager. Now click on setting and open add-on folder. After opening this folder, what we need to do is we need to go back to compress folder where we have downloaded this FreeCAD MCP. Now click on MCP, go inside add-on and then copy and paste this folder here in FreeCAD directory. Now we can close this and probably we need to restart our FreeCAD. Now let's look here in Workbench. And there you go. Here you can see this MCP add-on Workbench is added. Now if you click here on new, you will see the option related to this particular Workbench. Now we have configured our FreeCAD. Let's now configure Claude. For that, you again need to go to your Claude Desktop, click on your username, go to setting, and then look for developer tab. Here you need to look for local MCP server edit configuration. Now here is your Claude Desktop configuration. Let's make a right click and open this with Notepad. Let's add this MCP server in the end and now save. Now let's restart the Claude. Now if I go here, setting, developer extension, I can see this FreeCAD MCP server is running. Let's close this and now I can go here in home tab and let's click on plus, then connector and enable this FreeCAD, which by default is already running. Now let me keep Claude and FreeCAD side by side so that we can see how these both are performing. So let me write here the following command and let's paste it here. Please create in FreeCAD. And this command I pasted at 18th second and let's see how much time this takes. Here I think we need to click on allow and there you go. So we completed this in about 30 seconds, which is great. Now maybe I can also ask it another query, for example, remove hole and replace round with chamfer of 2 mm. And this was quick, but still going on. And I am very happy to see the result. Now let's delete the whole, delete the complete part. And this time what I'm gonna do next is, instead of text, I am going to give it a drawing. So let me click here on add file, and probably I'm gonna tell him or show him, let's say, the following drawing, and let's see if it detect it properly or not. Create the following drawing and consider the thickness as 10 mm. Now this particular one will take a little bit more time, because first of all, Claude need to extract out information from this image, and then it will give instruction to the FreeCAD. And I'm pretty sure that, we do not require to use Opus 5. Probably, Sonnet would be enough, or even you can use Haiku. But for the time being, let's see the result. And there you go. Here I would say it struggled, but still I'm happy that, now we can text and it can generate 3D. So in this way, guys, we just saw how we can, connect Claude Code to FreeCAD. And probably, in order to optimize the speed, we should also use Haiku or maybe Sonnet. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. Please do let me know if you have got any question or concern regarding this whole process, and I will definitely try to help you out with that. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We are about to reach 1,000 subscribers, so your subscription in real terms means a lot to us. So please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.